Okay, it's week 3. We're shifting in the assignments a little bit and we're really focusing now on writing. And we're doing an immense amount of writing in Tumblr. So I really want you to think about, where are you getting practice in this class? The number one rule for how to improve your writing: practice. Like, any great author will tell you that. Stephen King has an entire book on writing called On Writing, and he's like, write every day, write on a schedule. You have to practice. And so Tumblr's the space that we've really been doing that up to this week. Now we're going to start incorporating projects. So we'll have a writing-based project every week to really work through ideas of writing. And it's less about building, it's absolutely not about building grammar. It's about building our ability to write in new situations. It's building the skills that we have, like the mental skills we have to say, here are the elements. And so now we're using the web writing rhetorical situation. Here's the user experience that I want from my essay. So I'm going to use a combination of white space and headings so that my user can work through my ideas more effectively. Here's the purpose of my essay for that audience so that I'm clearly writing within that discourse community. And so my text is going to look like this, again, connected to the user experience, which then makes the writing easier because you've nailed down some of these outside kind of more not tangible. They're the less tangible, less material elements of writing that when you use the web writing rhetorical situation to help you think through them, you can write in that situation more effectively. And so this assignment this week is the first step towards that. I have a whole video on the assignment page, so I'll talk through it there. I just wanted to give you an overview of, like, hello, welcome to week 3. From this week forward, we are into project-based learning, and you're going to have writing projects each week because practice is really key. But keep in mind that, you know, especially if you look at the point distribution for this course and how it's designed, every week is about practice and giving you time for revision and giving you time for my feedback so that you can improve. I'm not just going to throw you out there and you have to write a perfect essay the first time. No, ma'am, that is not how this class works. We're really building the practice, and this is just one of the first assignments to get us thinking about that, get us critically engaged. The second big assignment you have to do this week is reflection number 1. There are multiple parts to reflection number 1, so make sure you go through that assignment carefully. You respond to all of the parts. This is not busy work. I say it on the assignment, but I cannot emphasize enough. If you can't name your writing skills, you're gonna get into a writing situation and you're gonna be like, oh my God, I can't write, and you have nothing to fall back on. When you work with the concepts from the web writing rhetorical situation and you start to name your skills and you're doing an assignment and you're like, oh, I'm reflecting on and I'm seeing the work I did in Tumblr and the way that it caused an interaction in my audience, which means I was nailing it with the discourse community. You've added skill-based language to that. When you get into a new unfamiliar writing situation, you're going to be more effective at bringing in the good skills, even though the situation is new, because you've practiced naming them. Use the reflection to do that work. Pay attention to it, spend some time with it. If you have any questions about any of these assignments, send me a note on Tumblr. You can either direct message me or you can just tag me in your post. You are welcome to stop by office hours. They are here for you all as well. Or you can send me an email, whatever works for you. I'll see you online.